Hi, welcome to TECHHELPLINE channel, and this is a tutorial where I'm gonna show you how you can delete a post on BeReal. If you have posted a post on BeReal basically and you want it to be deleted, and if you want to delete it, all we need to do is just click onto three dots over here until the very top and then click on delete my BeReal. If you want to delete that permanently, just go ahead and proceed to deletion, and it's gonna ask a reason to delete the post. You can choose any and click yes, I'm sure at down bottom, and again press on delete option, and then it's basically gone. Of course, you can still use BeReal and post continuously to your friends and on the platform itself, and continuously use the platform in the application itself without any issues. But that is how you actually delete your BeReal post. If you want to delete it, if you just made a mistake or if you regret posting it in the first place. Alright guys, hope this video helped you. If it did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more video like this. Thank you for watching.